Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Realme GT Neo 3. So in order to do this, we're gonna check a few platforms for the Fortnite. And the first one is the Google Play Store, but as we all know, it's not available for now, but we can always try. There's no game, so let's move to the next platform, which is Epic Games app. And right here there should be Fortnite. It is. Let's click on the get, and here we can install it, so that means you can play Fortnite on Realme GT Neo 3. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.